So I've got this dehumidifier here. I've had it for the last 6 months. I bought it off Amazon. I can't remember how much exactly. It was about roughly £50, and I cannot recommend enough why you should pick up one of these. Now, right there, there's like an LED lighting effect just above the collection tank, and above there is just sort of like a touch surface settings. And for the last 6 months I have noticed a major difference, particularly in how much reduction of dust that's building up in my flat here, and even just me breathing. I'm very, very comfortable because I have asthma. I feel that this has changed my comfort and just generally everyday living. That's been running for the last, I'd say, about a week now. Look how much water or moisture it's collected. I would recommend picking one of these up. They really do make a big difference.